All right, so let's talk about the tools that a Boise business should be using to track their local SEO efforts and really make sure that they're going to dominate in 2025. So, I just want to run through. I find a lot of business owners don't know or don't understand the tools that are being used. And I think just even understanding the tools that are out there and checking some of these things occasionally yourself can be really helpful, or you can use them to build your own SEO and do the work yourself if you have the time. So, the first and foremost, most important tool that you can use for your local business is going to be your Google Business Profile. But what many people don't know is there's a performance tab on your Google Business Profile that shows you how much traffic you're getting and the keywords that people are searching for your business. Now, what you can do with this information is kind of reverse engineer what people are searching for and make sure that you're targeting those keywords on your website specifically. It's also a great place to find services that you might offer that you aren't targeting on your website, that you don't have pages for on your website specifically to give more information. And so there's kind of this push-pull where you can find a keyword on Google Maps that people are searching for. You can target it better on your website. Now you move up, and then as you move up, you'll find new searches or new terms people are searching for, and it's a great way just to kind of build your online presence and get more customers. So that's your Google Business Profile Performance tab. Next is some sort of local map pack tracking. You've probably seen these pictures of a local map, and it has numbers all over it, and it's showing like a 1 and a 3 and a star and all that. What that is there's these map pack tracking tools. I use Local Business Manager. I like that one. It has really good, it has some extra data in it that I find helpful. But either way, you just want something where you can put in a keyword that your customers might search for, and it'll show you on the local map where you're ranking in each kind of area around your business location. And so you can get a better idea if you're growing and getting better, or you're losing and getting worse on these keywords over time, so you can better target customers and grow your business. So that's important, whether you're doing it yourself or you have a company that does that for you. I think checking that on a weekly basis is really important. Number 3 is Google Search Console. This is a free tool that you can go and you can look at your organic performance on your website and how much traffic you're getting and keywords that you pop up for. So basically, this is the organic equivalent for the web of what your Google Business Profile is doing on the map pack. So this shows you where people are finding your links on the web when they search for similar services and they're close to you, where they're clicking on your website or your website is popping up. Once again, it's a great place to find keywords that you can further target on your website and services that you might not be targeting specifically. And then lastly, we have Google Analytics. It's a lot more complicated. It's very useful, especially if you're running a lot of organic or different paid. You can kind of put all those in one place. So if you have Facebook ads, Google ads, and organic traffic and all these different places people are coming from, it's kind of one place where you can see all that. If all you're doing is SEO, analytics, I'd still have it set up so you're gathering that data, but it really helps if you have a lot of different campaigns going on as you build your business. Lastly, I just kind of as a bonus want to mention something like SEMrush or Ahrefs, an actual SEO tool. These can be really important for your business, especially as you start growing. If you're already in the top 1 to 3 businesses in your local area for a service, you're trying to get that number 1 spot and really hang on to it. That's where these tools come in handy. You can see what your competitors are doing. You can find better places to go link, do outreach. You can see, it's just a great tool for comparing and studying deeper into what people your competitors or people in other cities that are ranking really well, what they're doing, and find kind of deeper approaches and strategies to really secure that foothold. Like I said, I think that's for somebody who's already doing really well in their local area. So if I'm a Boise business, I'm using these tools. These are tools that I use, either tracking or figuring out, finding somebody who can help you track these. And if you're looking to dominate in the Boise area, reach out to me. Let's talk. At least let me, at least let's talk about your business, and you'll walk away with something helpful, whether I can help you or not. But that's all I got for this video. Appreciate your time. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.